Unboxing the Lepro lantern is straightforward. Inside the retail box, you'll find the rechargeable lantern, a USB Type-C charging cable, and user documentation. The lantern makes a solid first impression, with a sturdy build and an attractive green and black outdoor design. The Lepro lantern has a sturdy plastic body with rubberized sections that improve grip and provide extra protection against minor bumps. Its wide, ridged base feels stable on flat surfaces, while the large silicone button is easy to locate and operate in the dark. The folding metal handle feels stronger than typical plastic alternatives and works well for carrying or hanging the lantern. With IP44 splash resistance, the overall build is practical and robust for camping, garden use, and emergency situations. The built-in 4,400 mAh battery charges via USB-C and delivers up to 12 hours of runtime, depending on the lighting mode and brightness. The lantern can also provide an emergency power boost for a smartphone through its USB output. The traditional lantern design provides practical 360-degree illumination, while the wide base keeps it stable on tables or the ground. Its metal handle supports carrying and hanging, and the bottom hook allows upside-down tent mounting for more even overhead lighting. The Lepro portable LED camping lantern combines powerful 1,000 lumen, 360-degree illumination with adjustable light modes, versatile hanging options, and up to 12 hours of battery life. Its sturdy, splash-resistant design, USB-C charging, and emergency power bank function make it a practical choice for camping, garden use, and power outages.